Hi, I'm Jason Benab of Engel Volkers. Welcome today to this beautiful new listing here at 1699 Brusson Drive in fabulous Saanich, East Gordon Head. We're standing in the backyard of this magnificent home. Let's go inside and have a closer look.
Welcome to this fabulous home, located on a quiet cul-de-sac and just a short walk to Mount Doug Park. This tastefully renovated split-level home features a new kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, slow-close cabinetry, and open-concept main-level living with a wood fireplace. The fabulous backyard with southern exposure and a large deck is an entertainer's dream. The family room is on the lower split level and features a second wood fireplace. The upper level has 3 bedrooms and 1 gorgeous bathroom, and has potential for an ensuite in the large walk-in closet. Spacious bedrooms and true family layout. Bonus studio in the backyard. Call now, as this home will not last.
For more information on this property, please contact me at 778-265-5552 or email me at jason@benabpropertygroup.com. Thank you.